I'm too cheap to be broke. That's why I do most of my shopping at Dollar Tree. Same stuff as Walmart, Target. Line might be a little longer. I don't care. And they give you cash back. But you know what? Thanksgiving next week. And I'm going to do all my shopping there. I'm buying everything there. All my plates, my napkins, my spatula, my dressing. Everything coming from Dollar Tree. But first, you got to get your stuff to set the table with. So we're going to go step by step. Step one, you got to get your cups, your plates, your pan for your turkey. All for $1. Got your fancy glasses. How many you get? 6. So if you got 12 people over, get 2 packs of these for $2. Everybody's sipping good. A nice mince bowl, okay? You gonna have a couple people over, have some candy while they're watching the football game, eating some peanuts. Got your bowl right here. How many of these? 4 for $1. 25 cents a piece. What we got here? These are shot glasses. So if you want to get wasted with your family, party. Because you know Thanksgiving you're gonna drink good, have a little of that brown liquor. Don't act like you're not gonna do it. Got your shot glasses right here. 6 for $1. Another bowl right here for mints. You can put your yogurt in here, put a little pudding for some other people, pudding for others. Right here. I got my fancy tongs right here. So if you want to get your salad on, which a lot of people are being vegan nowadays, get your tongs right here at the Dollar Tree. 4 for $1. You can use that all week. You can use that Thanksgiving and Christmas. Big spoon to stir up your spoon. You gotta stir it up. A couple people gonna have Kool-Aid, some people gonna have lemonade, somebody gonna have water. Regardless, you gotta stir it up. 2 for $1. Can't beat that. Can't beat that. What else we got here? Got the big fork. Big fork right here. So when you got your dishes, got your mashed potatoes, got your macaroni and cheese, you got your green bean casserole, you got these right here. You don't want people putting their hands in that. That's nasty. Get your hands out of there. What you doing? Give them these. 3 for $1. 3 of them. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. You can put your turkey on this. This is $1. Look at the fancy. Look at all the fancy designs on there. That's just $1 right there. Come on, how much is that in Target? Like $6.99? That's too much in Target. Bam, right here. Check me out. I got my cookie platter right here. You got your platter for all your hors d'oeuvres and appetizers. $1. Look how fancy that is. Shiny. That might be real silver. I don't know. But I know that's fancy. And look, you got your dip in the middle. Put your dip, put your cheese on one side, crackers, everything. All that stuff goes right here for $1. Man, all these good stuff. Deviled eggs. I know you're gonna have deviled eggs. Put your deviled eggs right in there. Woo! For $1. Why are we going to Target? Why are we going to Walmart? We got all this right here in Dollar Tree. Why are we going doing all this? This is all the stuff you will need if you want to have a fancy Thanksgiving. You don't need to get any paper goods. Paper goods is on the other aisle. But look at this. We went through all this good stuff. All this. You got your heat, so if you want to keep your food warm, you got your burners in here. These are $1. Come on, man. What? I told y'all I wasn't playing. All that's for $1. How much you think all that cost? $7, $8? They got everything in there, but you didn't know. You didn't know they had all this. That's why I'm in there. Y'all like these glasses? They were free. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheap, not.